Pak Haji.
Toes in when we standing on business. I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Wesson, I'm 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than a damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, me and my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's F-Man, shoot the weapon. I heard Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real, I'll be outside. I'ma try this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking flies. Type of nigga that can't look me in the eyes, I despise. When I see you better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies. Keep cookies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy, Glock like the lead hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk can never diss me. I come straight up out the six and we don't spell scissors. I fuck with her, and fuck with her, and her.